Imagine a world where nobody went first. Or asked why. Or said, what if? That'd be pretty boring. Good thing somebody tried anyway. They chose to find out. One question became another, then another, then another. I guess that's how history's made. Someone reimagines what comes next. And the future changes because they did. And the best part? They're still asking. Every question is just the beginning. And in the end, the answer is always the same. People. Giving someone another birthday, another anniversary, another chance. Imagine a world that never stops asking what's possible. I get to live in that world. We all do.